All right, so we are going to go ahead and check out Midwest Safety. Don't mind me, she knows. And this is the body cam release in a military convoy truck pursuit. So I saw this last week. I'm like, I don't want to watch that because that's probably a shooting. Because you see someone's got their rifle out. I have gone through and checked this one out to verify this is not a shooting. So let's check this one out because I am happy. You leave in like 9 minutes. You're almost there, Kura. You're almost there. All right. Again, this is Midwest Safety, so John C. Officer, man. Let's check it out.
2023 in Harford County, Maryland. 38-year-old Michael Stevens II was released from the Harford County Detention Center after posting bail related to a theft charge. Later that same day, just down the road, Stevens came across a 1986 5-ton military truck sitting in a driveway and decided to steal the vehicle, triggering a pursuit unlike anything deputies had seen before.
Which way to go? Which way?
Wreck from the military. Oh, jeez.
What's up, man? Were you the one that called? Yes, sir. Okay, so I understand it's a like military type vehicle.
Yeah, 5-ton. Probably have a picture of it somewhere.
Trying to get an updated location on it right now. Apparently, you might have crashed into somebody down in Bel Air.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Did you see a big green army truck? Did you see a big green army truck go by? Excuse me, no speaking. Okay.
Excuse me, no speak English. No habla inglés? Habla español? See? I don't know what green or military truck is in Spanish, so that's as much Spanish as I know. I think this political climate, I get it, but I think it's because that guy may not be legally here. Legally is like, oh shit, the cops are here to pick me up. No English. No English. Yes, I don't know what you're talking about. No English. I'm just saying, that's just how it sounds like. Guys like, ah, shit. If cops are here, they might call eyes on me. Fuck. Sorry, that's just, it's mean to say, but we're watching a police video. Someone's like, no English. Whatever, dude.
Was it like
They're in like Maryland too. That's the funny part. Sorry.
keys in it or something? Or
So
is
it doesn't
unlocked?
take keys. It's a military vehicle, so there's no keys. It just has switches. So
Okay.
the doors don't lock, and there's no keys to operate it.
Okay.
And I thought he just walked up, to check the truck out.
Yeah.
And I came out of the house, and I hear the truck running. So I said, Meredith, is your dad in the truck? And she goes, no, he's right here. Who is that?
So that's another thing. So it is military. It's an 86 military vehicle. So yeah, there's no keys. You have to, that means there was just enough time. It had to have been several minutes. He went out and was like, hey, what's going on? Oh, he's just checking out the vehicle. Okay, cool. Because no one's going to know how to start that vehicle like right off the bat. The guy was probably like flipping switches until it started running.
Took off running up here, and he started to drive out the driveway. So I got to the end of the driveway, and there was traffic coming, so he couldn't get out. And I jumped up on the running board of the truck, and I was like, get out of my truck, get out of my truck, who are you? And he pulled out and started swerving, trying to get me off the truck. And then I got off the truck, and he came towards me head on.
Oh, there it is.
We got it.
The vehicle deputies are following is a 5-ton military cargo truck originally built for the U.S. Army. Despite the name, a 5-ton truck actually weighs more than 10 tons by itself. The 5-ton rating refers to how much cargo it can carry off-road, not its own weight.
Meaning that that tow truck that they just blew by, it could lift up the tow truck with the car that's on that tow truck and carry it.
These trucks were designed to move troops and equipment through rough terrain, and they're built to keep going, even when damaged. The frame and suspension are heavy, the drivetrain is built for torque, and the oversized tires are reinforced to survive long distances on uneven ground. All of that combines to make this pursuit unlike anything we've ever published in the entire history of this channel.
Oh, that is so scary. How fast they were going around that corner. That's scary. That's easy. That could have flipped that truck.
South at 152, just in case he hop on 95. I just want somebody to stay there with stop 6, just in case he gets on, so we can deploy.
I don't think stop 6 are gonna help you guys here. Not on that truck. Those tires are not going to get punctured by the stop 6. So I'm just saying.
Anybody have stop 6 in the area?
Looks like he's going to take 95 south from 24.
Looks like he's taking 5 southbound from 24.
Hey, watch the back. It's going to be debris falling out the back of the bed.
Well, I'm stationary, 152 and 95. He takes the ramp to 152.
Take it over his primary, 2 marks. Is that right? I'm on it. Somebody get on 95 south just past 152 and somebody stay on 152.
Yeah, and that's another thing that you can't pit that vehicle. You're not going to pit that vehicle. Maybe if you had a Bearcat, you could pit it, but any of these normal cop cars, they're going to get torn up by the wheels and the drivetrain on that thing.
We're lane 2, 95 south.
We're lane 2, 95 south. 75 over 8.
Speed's at 55.
Speed to 55.
Is somebody on 95 just past 152 with stop 6?
I'm 1153, 152 and 95. 31 and 1, so 195.
Yeah, get one unit on 95, and everybody that's behind them, let's try and slow the traffic. If we can get the stop 6 deployed, I don't want this vehicle to hit anybody else. All right, we're coming up underneath of 152. If somebody's there with the stop 6, be ready.
Now we're coming up on the stop 6.
Coming up on stop 6.
Did he hit those?
Looks like you hit one time.
Hit one tire? Okay, I don't think that's going to do anything. That's those tires.
153. See if you get ahead of them by about a mile. See if you get on the stop 6.
Yeah, those tires look like they didn't even take damage there. They're just like, whatever.
We got another set of stop 6 being deployed. Let's get that branch on.
Another set of stop 6 deployed at branch on.
Why was he so far out there? That is so risky.
They got jammed up.
Oh,
Nah, I try to get them to go further. Just get past them again.
just get past him again.
You guys, you believe he hit your stop 6?
Yeah, the first time looked like one interior tire on the rear may be down, but he's got about 8.
I love that. He's got like one interior tire that may be gone, but he's got 8. Yeah, if you didn't get a lot of them, I don't even think, unless those, they could, well, it's an 86, so they may not be as thick. The tires that you can get for them might not be as thick. Yeah, it's a stolen 5-ton military truck, Danny. Like, troop transport, equipment transport in Desert Storm truck.
Dispatch.
Like it's meant to go off road. It's meant to go through sand dunes, not around through.
Negative. He lives in Abingdon. He headed that way, but he's not going tomorrow.
Hey, be careful with those stop six. He's coming over in the lanes.
I love that. Get ready to be ready to jump if he comes at you.
Get on the road. Get on the road. Get on the road.
I'm sorry, that's scary. They saw him, they're like, Galro, go. What's up, bro? How you doing? How's it going? Yeah, no. Danny, this is a vehicle that's got 10 gallons to the mile, you know. I'm doing well. Funny, I was just talking about a little bit about like Sunday, and like there's just briefly touching on the, you know, there's a lot of people that can't like just come together and like agree to disagree, and that, you know, we just had a nice, got slightly heated, but mainly a civil conversation that we, by the end of it, we're all like, hey, cool, agreed to disagree, hugged, and just like, still love you. So I'm doing well. Don't run out of gas. Yeah. I have to laugh. I'm like, I got up, went to the bathroom, came out, was like, really, we're talking politics? All right, well, shit, I'm here for it. But yeah, you know, there's so many people that can't do that. There's so many people, and you even mentioned it on Sunday Edge about that there aren't people that can do that. There's enough people that, like, I don't agree with you, so meh. Okay, cool. You don't have to agree with me. I'm telling my point, you're telling me your point, and we come to a consensus on what we agree with and what we don't agree with, and call it good. Yeah, I'll run out of gas faster than he'll tear through those tires, that's for sure.
We'll call them back, but I believe that they don't have any units.
They've gone about, it looks like, at least 6 miles in this pursuit, so.
If we can get another unit up, a couple units up ahead with the stop sticks, we'll head to Jersey Wall to keep y'all safe, and it's only 2 lanes a little further.
4 units ahead, stop 6.
We're 95 southbound, approaching 695, mile marker 66.
95 and 695, copy.
I would not want to get hit by this, by that vehicle anyways.
Ahead in the expressway is the stop 6.
He's just like, nah, I'm out. Asshole. Yeah, now that he doesn't have to worry about the guy like running him into the wall, he's like, all right, fine, fuck it, I'll just speed ahead.
We're past White Marsh, we're right at 695.
Oh, he stopped. Oh, he got stop sticks out. Ooh, good sticks. I don't think it's going to do anything to those tires, but good sticks. That was all tires hit. I don't think it's gonna do anything to them, but
Don't deploy any more stops. Get towards him. Concrete block hits. We have no effect on these tires.
10-4, do not deploy any more South 6.
Hartford County Aviation, Senior Hartford County.
oh, they swap counties at this point.
95 and 695. Where you guys at? I was directly behind you.
Are there any people in this reference to this location?
This guy, he has a gun.
Yeah. Oh God.
We caution wrecking shit check right out of the driver's window here. They're in the blind t-shirt. We're just waiting on a helicopter. Go ahead. Go like a rifle here.
Sorry. Unit 10-0, you have a run flap the driver's side window.
With deputies reporting that the suspect now had a rifle hanging out the window, units ease off. The helicopter maintains visual from above, while Squad 1 follows at a distance as the truck exits the interstate.
Yeah, that's where it gets scary. The moment you pull out a gun and you start flashing it, yeah, cops are going to back off because they don't want you trying to shoot at random civilians. Doesn't mean you should do it because that's just an extra charge when they catch you. Because you might be able to outrun the cars. You might be able to outrun that helicopter. Yeah, outrun the radio.
And heads into a residential neighborhood. When the suspect slows at a light to make a left turn, deputies close back in.
This motherfucker just... Ain't no way this motherfucker is like, I'm casually running from the cops, avoiding stop sticks, almost saving a couple of them, gets to a light. Oh, I'm just gonna sit here and hit my blinkers, showing that I'm gonna turn left. I'm gonna obey the traffic laws now. What the fuck?
Southbound complex or plastic?
Unlock it. Undo the back.
Oh, he's got the rifle out. He's got the long gun.
Right here. All right, he's going back. He's going back out to 40. He's going back out to 40. Stop.
They're getting so much information.
I got you. Hands, get on the ground. Stop. Drop it down. Get on.
Ain't no way. Oh my God, he did. Watch this. Suspect running. Cop. Boop. Sweep the legs. I know, right? Just sweep the leg. Just boop. Yep.
Stop reaching.
Yeah, that's the hard part right there, because the guy's got his hand up his shirt, so you don't know if that's a gun or if he's like holding his chest because he's having a mild heart attack. You don't know what's going on. So like the fact that one of the officers is on top with the gun in his face, like, stop. Yeah, that's a good point to go. I'm sorry, officer. I don't want to be shot in the face. Oh no, bork, nom nom.
Ground patrol. What's your back? Watch him. Pull over. Watch him.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Oh, the bark nom nom. The doggo. Okay, he's got nothing in his hand. He's bleeding because his face hit the fucking pavement.
Sit.
That's a good boy.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Good job. Who did a good job? Who did a good job? Up there. That's a good boy.
Oh.
That's a good boy. That's a good job.
We love watching them get the little dogs get a good boy.
Let's put in one of these cars.
Hold on.
But I got all 4 tires.
I know.
I had all 4 tires. And he was still going.
Let's get somebody out of the truck.
Yeah.
What happened? Huh? What just happened?
What do you mean what happened?
You're running from us. For what?
Oh.
Oh, you took the truck. I just got out of jail. Because I released him to the detention center.
That's a good boy. Yeah, buddy. That's a good job. What's up, brother?
See ya.
Thanks for coming out, brother.
Where'd they end up catching him on foot at? Right there. Down there? Yeah, he jumped, he broke. They got him right at the mouth of the alley before he got out on East Avenue Highland. Was there any rifle in the truck?
Oh, damn. Damn, you can see the smoke. Those brakes are toast. Those brakes are toast. And this guy like, the fuck's this truck doing here? Yeah, that's the officer. Oh, he's checking for the gun. Okay.
Hold on, kick his shoes off first.
I don't even know what's going on. I swear I don't know.
Good job, man. You saw what he did?
No.
Is he running towards us? He starts going like this. Bro, you good? Oh, he started going like this. He go under his shirt. So I backed out to the side. I'm slapping.
I don't got reception.
Nothing. But he kept underneath his shirt like he was pointing something. That's why I grabbed his hand. Because I couldn't see under the shirt, obviously. It could've been something small.
The suspect, Michael D. Stevens II, was taken into custody after the pursuit ended, fleeing on foot briefly before being stopped by deputies.
Go
Although
have some
deputies
fun.
reported seeing a rifle during the chase. No weapon was found. Stevens was charged with multiple offenses, including first-degree assault, felony theft, and fleeing and eluding. The stolen military vehicle was returned to its owner, and no bystanders were injured throughout the pursuit. As of
That's
the latest
good.
available records, Stevens has not been sentenced in this case, and he is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
That's good. No one got injured. That's always good. Again, everyone, check out Midwest Safety on that one. That one was a good one. They did amazing on that one.